magbibigay daan muna tayo sa tulong kalusugan mula kay May Gonzalez, isang certified nutritionist and of course CEO of Trinity for Health and Salad Master in Santa Clarita, California. May!
Kapamilya, napag-usapan natin sa mga nakaraang series ang physical na kalusugan. Sa ilalim po nito ay napag-aralan natin ang nutrisyon at nagbigay tayo ng mga examples gaya ng grains and sugar. Pangalawa ay exercise or ehersisyo, tubig at ngayon naman po kapamilya, pag-usapan natin ang benepisyo ng sunshine or sikat ng araw para sa ating kalusugan. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. According to Ellen White, sunshine is one of natural's most healing agents. If we expose our clothing to sunshine, mildew and molds would be prevented. Tama po ba? Ganon din sa ating bahay. We can keep our homes from impurities of every room in our dwellings should be open to the rays of the sun. Kaya kung matindi ang benepisyo ng araw sa damit at bahay, edi mas lalo naman na sa ating katawan, di ba? Many have become afraid of the sun, thinking they will get skin cancer. Naniniwala po ako na hindi araw ang sanhi ng cancer unless you are constantly out in it. Burning yourself, but rather it is a purifier. It brings to the surface, which is your skin, the cancers and toxins and germs that are already in your system, trying to flush them out of your body. Remember, sunshine is one of God's 8 natural sources for healing. Kaya nga po ito ang inyong certified nutritionist May Gonzalez na nagsasabing, you are my sunshine, my only sunshine. And remember, be happy, healthy, and blessed.